Hello guys, this is the unboxing, testing and review of this egg maker. This is by KRUPS, KRUPS. This is the top, bottom, these are the sides. Here you can see this too. So let's open it. There's a measuring cup here. A booklet. And this. There are different trays in it. You can put water in it. Bottom is this. I like it's really tiny. Let's open each tray one by one. First tray is this. Second tray is this. Third tray is this. And then there's fourth tray. This is the fourth tray. 6 eggs can come in. You can close this. It's a really small design. I like it. I have one button only. So let's test it out. I'm going to make 2 poached egg. So this is the water level. I'll put spray on it. So it is 5 minutes now and it is beeping, so I'll turn it off. This looks ready. So I poured it in and it is still watery. So I use this exact same measurement. So next time I should do like a little bit more water and we'll see the results. So I added a little bit more water and put them back. So after like a couple of minutes, this is the result. Pretty good looking. So a couple of things. This measurement did not work. You have to put a little bit more water. Second, it does not have auto shut off, so you have, because it will keep beeping, so you have to come and stop it. So that's kind of the bad design part. It does not shut off automatically. You have to shut it manually. So it's okay.